Okay, so now we can have what you call types of matrices. And what do we have there in the types of matrices? So when it comes to types of matrices, we mean if we give you something like this. If you give you something like this is 2 1 0 1 1 1. So this one, by the way, that's 1. Then you can have something like this 1 1 1 1. We can make this one 0. This is B. This is A. Then C, we can have 1 1 1 0. Then you can also have 1 2 2 1. You see that? So how do we classify these? These are all matrices. But how we get the type of matrix? We base on what you call the order of a matrix. Then what do we call order of matrix? I believe this is something that you've heard of before. So when you come on what you call order is what you call the arrangement, how many rows and how many columns. When we are stating the matrices, we state them in, for example, the way you've been doing axes, X and Y. So you've been doing like this, XC and Y in plotting. So XC is the one that is horizontal. So for us we call that one rows. Then the Y is the one that is vertical. We call this columns. So the same way you could say this is an XC Y plane, meaning that you start with horizontal, then you write vertical. So the same thing we do for matrices. We say rows by columns. So you first count how many rows are we having, then how many columns. So let us state. Now when you come at this, we are having, okay, let us start with this. This is 1 2, this is 2 rows by, this time it is by 1 2 3. This is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, let us continue. Then this is 1, this is 1 by 1 2 3 4. 1 by 4. Okay, let us continue. Now when you come at this is 1 2 3 4. This is 4 by 1. That's a 4 by 1 matrix. Then when you come at this, this is 1 2 1 2. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So when we are most times defining all types of matrices, we base on the order. If the number of rows are equal to the number of columns, we call that one square. So this is a square matrix. Why is it a square matrix? Because the number of rows 1 2, even columns are 1 2. So square matrix is a matrix where rows equal to columns. So we call that one a square matrix. Now this one has 1 row and many columns. 1 row and then many columns. If you have only 1 row and many columns, then it becomes a row matrix. So what's a row matrix? It's a matrix that has only 1 row and many columns. That one we call it a row matrix. So when you come at this, see, this one has 1 2 3 4 4 rows and 1. So we are looking for what's 1. That one that is 1 becomes the name. So this is 1 column. So this one becomes a column matrix. Why do you call it a column matrix? Because it has many rows but 1 column. So it's the one that has 1 column. Are you getting me? Thank you. Allow me rub this. So after that, now column matrix, square matrix, row matrix. So this one already it has unequal. Of course, 2 rows, 3 columns. This is just, it is just a matrix, but we can't say it's a column, we can't say it's a row, we can't say it's a square. So this is just a normal matrix, but has no special name. Then maybe the last one is what we call an identity matrix. An identity matrix, identity is a matrix that has like this 1 0 0 1. So is a matrix where its diagonal has only ones. As long as the diagonal has only ones and the rest are zeros, we call it an identity matrix. So this is the one that has ones on the what? On the diagonal, and the rest zeros. Then one last one, there is what we call a zero matrix. So the zero matrix is a matrix that has only zeros. This one, 0 0 0 0 0 0. As long as all the elements are zeros, we call it a zero matrix. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you've been able to take some notes about matrices. So we are going to look at now operations. How do we add matrices? How do we multiply matrices? Make sure that you watch the next video.